Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make an energy smoothie. First, gather your core ingredients. Begin with 1 cup of your preferred liquid, like water or almond milk, as your base. Next, add 1 cup of fresh or frozen fruit, such as berries or a banana, for natural sweetness and flavor. Don't forget a generous handful of leafy greens, like spinach, to boost your nutrient intake without altering the taste significantly. To truly power up your smoothie, consider these beneficial add-ins. Stir in 1 scoop of your favorite protein powder to support muscle recovery and keep you feeling full. For a boost of healthy fats and fiber, add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Finally, include 1/4 cup of rolled oats. They provide complex carbohydrates for sustained energy throughout your day, preventing any energy crashes. Now, let's refine the taste and texture of your energy smoothie. If you prefer a sweeter profile, a single teaspoon of honey or maple syrup works wonders. For a perfectly chilled and thicker consistency, toss in a few ice cubes before blending. A small squeeze of fresh lemon juice can also brighten all the flavors, adding a refreshing zest that elevates the entire drink. The final step is to blend everything together. Secure the lid on your blender and process all the ingredients until the mixture is completely smooth and creamy. If the consistency is too thick for your liking, simply add a little more liquid, 1 tablespoon at a time, until it reaches your desired texture. Pour your delicious, energizing smoothie into a glass and enjoy this perfect start to your day.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.